The D12 drone is a high-performance aerial photography drone designed for both recreational and professional use. Equipped with an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and advanced GPS capabilities, the D12 drone captures stunning visuals while ensuring smooth and stable footage. Ideal for fishing enthusiasts, this drone features a throw and drop hook system for fishing, allowing you to drop hooks precisely from the sky. Whether you're capturing aerial shots, filming videos, or fishing, the D12 drone provides top-tier performance. With a 5G digital image transmission system, the D12 ensures long-range operation and crystal-clear video feed, with a maximum control range of 10 km and an image transmission range of 6 km, without interference. Obstacle avoidance technology, along with a powerful brushless motor, ensures smooth flying in various environments. The drone's battery life lasts up to 45 minutes on a single charge, and its 11.4V 4500 mAh fast-charging battery ensures you have more time to explore and capture the perfect shot. Key features of the D12 drone: 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal, capture high-resolution photos and videos with 3840 by 2160, 20 frames per second, photo resolution and 7680 by 4320, 30 frames per second, video resolution. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable, clear footage, even during dynamic flights. GPS precision features one-click return to home, low battery return, and no signal return to ensure safe and reliable flights. Smart app control: control your drone and camera settings via a smartphone app. It supports features like gesture shooting, GPS intelligent tracking, and image following. Fishing hook drop system: the D12 includes a throw and drop hook system, perfect for fishing or delivering small items from the sky. Obstacle avoidance: integrated laser obstacle avoidance and 3-axis mechanical stabilization ensure that the drone avoids obstacles and provides a smooth flying experience. Long battery life: the 11.4V 4500 mAh battery gives the D12 up to 45 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended adventures. Fast charging: the fast charging capability lets you spend more time flying and less time waiting for a recharge. Gesture control: capture stunning footage with simple hand gestures within 1 to 3 meters from the drone. Specifications: camera, 8K resolution with 110 degrees FOV, 3840 by 2160, photo, 7680 by 4320, video. Battery, 11.4V 4500 mAh lithium battery. Flight time, up to 45 minutes. Flight distance, 10 km, outdoor, unobstructed. Image transmission, up to 6 km, outdoor, unobstructed. Motor, brushless motor. Camera tilt, -35 degrees to +35 degrees, -100 degrees to +70 degrees roll, adjustable angle from -80 degrees to +0 degrees. Included in the box: D12 drone, remote controller, USB charging cable. For spare propellers: user manual. Perfect for aerial photographers capturing landscapes, action shots, or cinematic videos. Fishing enthusiasts using the drone's hook drop system. Drone enthusiasts looking for a high-performance, feature-packed drone. The D12 drone combines cutting-edge technology with versatility, offering a powerful solution for all your aerial needs, whether it's filming breathtaking footage or fishing from above. With its 8K camera, long battery life, and intelligent navigation features, the D12 drone is the perfect tool for creating stunning visuals and capturing unforgettable moments. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.